Hello, or excuse the look. I just woke up, kinda. It's my birthday today. I had this celebration yesterday with my mom and my friends. We got home at around 4 a.m. and it's 5 p.m. now. Parang ngayon lang ako nagising talaga. So I kind of wasted my birthday away by sleeping. I mean, nagising naman ako kanina umaga and had lunch, but ngayon lang yung totoong gising na ako, gets. I'm gonna clean my room. Maybe it'll be like my birthday gift to myself because my room has been in a depressing state for a while. And then maybe I'll try to like wake up. I don't know. Bye. God bless. I said I was gonna do a weekly vlog but I forgot to shoot. Also, mukha pala akong multo right now. I'm sorry. So I'm currently parked in the office and wala lang, it's a Wednesday na. So, wala masyado nangyari ng birthday ko, TBH. Nung like birthday ko mismo, but like natulog lang ako all day. I'm sorry. I'm going to the office now. Bye.
What's your reaction?
I love it. Thanks so much.
Paano ko isa-slice?
Square.
Ano mas maganda? Pag ganun or pag ganun? Pag ganun. Huwag na lang muna sa half. Like dito lang. Get some cake.
Nakatiin mo ba lahat?
Yung nandito lang. Pala. Oh my God! Dumidikit sa watch ko. Oh my God! Chas, parang galing ko. Pagod na ako.
Okay na kaya tong vlog?
Pero okay na okay din. Kristen! Rachel! Charot. Nasaktan ka ba? Hindi. Again. Huwag, ang lapit-lapit naman.
Siguro doon, para ano, pag-maulit sa akin na parang
Hindi, dapat mo kasi hindi dapat hawakan.
hindi ko ginawa.
Gumawan ka.
Ay, so.
Sige na naman.
Parang
may turn.
naka-off yun dun sa question.
Kaya naman.
Parang sabi.
Ay, hindi. Nandito ako sa soundbite.
Get ready.
Ay, sorry. Ay, hindi, kasi nga, parang...
Dapat sobrang bilis kasi
Oh.
I say this.
sobrang bagal naman.
Ay, sige. Natatawa lang kasi nga eh. Sige.
Di ba natural yung soundbite? Sorry ah.
Di ba
Kinabahan ako. Parang talo ako. Pero you're not allowed to touch it. Like, hindi mo pwedeng i-stop with your hand.
Just look.
Hinawakan! Ulit!
Tapos
Ay, hindi kailangan talingan natin yung kamay niya.
Parang tawa naman.
ang tagal. Okay lang.
Dahil.
Walang dating.
For other people to try.
Go, Abby.
Go, Abby.
Tapos sa save.
It's your birthday.
It's your birthday.
Anong kinakanta mo?
It's your
It's your birthday. You wanna ride.
Then ikaw na kayo. Ano na? Uy!
Oh my God! That was so fun.
Ito ako ang mag-video.
Let's take a video. Sige, bigay na.
Ang bagal na Zane. Dapat wala ang bagal.
Parang ang daya kasi hinintay yung mukha.
Oo.
Dapat
Faster,
within
faster.
3 seconds, upo na siya.
Ay, ang bagal niya. Medyo. Well, not quite. I'm still not impressed.
Okay na.
Okay, good luck. Ay.
Tayo ko magkainan.
Hello!
Kita kaya ako?
We're at the office today kasi nagpapahain ng birthday girl, Abby De Leon. It's your birthday, and I wanna run. So ngayon, lahat kami nasa office na except sa kanya. Bakit? Why? Kasi late siya nag-book. And then she booked a Grab. And then she booked a Grab at exactly 6 p.m. So that's like rush hour na, diba? Yeah. So stupid
Contribute
daw.
naman.
And it's rush hour and it's 14th month paid. 14 14 na. Si Oy.
Sabi mo pa, 14 month paid. Tama naman kasi dumating na.
So, it's paid already. 13th month paid pa naman today. So, Abby, time is ticking. Joe, happy birthday. Okay. So now, we will, dahil nga, marami na kang pera today, bumili kami ng Pop Mart. So today, we are going to unbox. So, I got the We Are All Kids Sizigo. Sige, basahin mo.
Sizigo.
Yan. Ayaw po natin ng Labubu here. Kasi overpriced yung mga sebo. 1,200. Tapos dito po tayo bumili sa Fully Booked. So ito yung, and I want the number one. The number one. Number one. So we will unbox now. Ay, ito pala. So ito po. Pangit pa nga yun.
Papangit pa mamig.
Ayan. So, all good.
Magkano yan?
600. Oh my God, sana ito yung gusto ko.
Si Oy.
There's a photo card.
Ay, malalaman mo na yata.
Ah, meron na.
Pwedeng patingin na.
Sige, sure.
Ay, ipapakita ko sa kanila.
Okay.
What is, ano yung gusto mo?
This one.
Number one.
Parang hindi.
Okay, this is what she got.
Okay, and close my eye.
Okay.
Ayan. Tapos ito daw, snap. This is my first and last vlog. So na po siya. I hope it is. Pag hindi, iyak ako. Okay lang. Hindi siya masyado. Kunwari, oh my gosh, ito din yung isa sa mga gusto ko. This is my second. Okay lang. Galit pa. So, I got. Sino siya?
Ito.
Siya ay si, si Walking Hazard.
Opening up.
Ah, ito, opening up. So, siya is si opening up. Ulit-ulit. Yeah. Guess I have to buy more to get what I want.
I thought, gusto mo rin yan.
Yeah, kasi this my top 2. And my top 1 is still in the store. So, bye guys.
Rachel. I will be the secretary. Yes. There you go. Parang i-approve muna niya.
Ayun, order mo kasi ako. Ititip ko na yung kung ano yung mga ayaw na.
Ah, okay. Wait, how many surprise eggs? Na lang. Salted egg prawns? How many? 1 for sharing.
Super mahal na for sharing.
Pass.
1,000 plus. Madami naman po.
1 na lang na solo. Hindi lang naman yun yung kakainin natin.
Yeah, exactly. We're
Exactly.
gonna order like 20 dishes.
Namahalan pa tayo dun sa sharing. Okay, 1. Next. Of course, how long ba?
Of course, yes.
How many? 42?
55. 55.
110. Dry noodles with
Spicy shrimp,
shrimp and pork wontons. Got it, best.
Thank you, Rachel.
1.
Yeah, just 1. I think it's big.
Approve.
We can share.
Disapprove.
Tama, di ba?
Chicken chop and
Shrimp
shrimp.
fried rice.
040 shrimp. Shrimp and pork wontons with house special spicy sauce. Accept.
I
Crispy
haven't
beef
tried this one.
is my favorite. Yes. Solo. Sharing. Sure ka?
Guys,
Saka madami masyado. Should we give it? Parang walang cream cheese. Pati ilagay ko na lang. Plus cream cheese. Makasamin na lang natin. Okay. Ito na. Okay, I'm ready.
baka natuwa siya sa
Lagay ko. Hawakan ko. Ako na lang kaya edible ba ito? Hindi.
Counter lang.
Edible ba ito?
mga daw glass, tas yun na agad.
So baka ma-break ko.
One na. May counter.
To be honest.
Kumain na lang.
Okay. Ay, ito, sorry. Ang tagal naman. Sige, Jiro, take your time, no? Yan yung may sparkler.
Okay, blow na ako.
Di ba paparazzi na? You touch?
Yes! Pero parang meant to be a surprise mo siya dahil nakikita ko nag-set up kayo.
Oo, dapat nag-pretend ka.
Pero nauna din talaga.
Ay, si paliwanag.
Promise. Thank you. Ay, dito ka na lang.
So, it's a Friday. It's 8:20. I have to leave in like 10 minutes. We're watching Hello Love again. Because wala lang. And I don't know if may mahahanap kami even. Because medyo mahirap maghanap. Like online sa Click the City. Meron naman, pero hindi dun sa cinemas na gusto namin. So, we're gonna try sa Directors Club sa SM Aura for 11 p.m. Hopefully, enough na yung pag-alis namin ng 8:30 to and get good seats. We'll just pray na meron. If wala, we're transferring to another cinema. I don't know, let's see. Also, late na ako. Hindi pa ako naka-shoes. Sandali. Medyo napapanik na ako kasi it's 8:21. Wait. Sana hindi traffic also. Sana makakuha kami ng seats. Yung iba kasi na pwede mag-book online. May seats pa, but yung parang sobrang nasa harap na ng screen, ganun. So, I don't know. Whatever. God bless. So, I'm just gonna, hope for the best. Yun lang yung getting ready ko. Okay, yun lang. Bye. Hello, I'm home. We ended up going to Rockwell. We made it to SM Aura. But when we got to the cinemas na, the ate was yelling, sold out na po, Hello Love again, whatever. So we just went to Rockwell. I'm not a film critic or whatever, but this movie felt a bit weird. Like, I don't know, I expected something serious, but parang naging rom-com siya or something. Because Hello Love Goodbye was like a serious drama movie. This one was kind of rom-com-ish. I don't know, I love a good rom-com, but I just wasn't expecting a rom-com. Like, it felt like a love team movie, if that makes sense. Like, if Hello Love Goodbye was like a 9 or 10, this one was a 6 or 7, maybe. I don't know, please don't come for me. Sana hindi magalit yung Cast 10 fans. Although, ang galing nila umarte, I think. Again, I don't know why I'm reviewing this. I'm not a film reviewer or whatever. It's 2 a.m., by the way, I just got home. Okay lang, share lang, I don't know, bye.